Buy this cheese. Why should we something to eat instead? Eat something very chicos. Mnanzara ngafareza mas. Most of the time. Mukasakati oramba. Nonguva ari kamwe inzara ngesikati. Tingatenga dzakawanda chiya Danfuna fish one. There's more grocery. I want the small grocery, guys. You have the food fish today, Mama. This one is one for 11.99. This one, yes. You don't have a piece like that again, a big piece like that. Yeah, thanks. Because if I go there, my wife she'll pick big piece. And you see how fast try enter. Kumele sithenge. Uyasifaka isikelo asisuze 1199. Imali nikeza. It's my birthday for my wife. McDonald's 29. 6 children meters. That's this what I always do with money. Because I don't get yes, yes, safe guys. And one thing I have admired about just doing this steady food, it doesn't mean that I'm just doing it for fun. Sometimes if you find things that you want to do that you want, you can even send me my brother. I want somebody who wanted to show us balance. The good thing about it, I wanted to unfortunately like that because I did with mine, but now I sent it to home. That home was Zimbabwe, and I don't have that to her. These are my groceries too. Small groceries. Hey, the people this grocery.
Oh, okay.